I'm gonna be the first to go
Peppaseed.
in the wheelchair.
Jesus, you gotta be running and pushing Paul.
No,
Now,
hey,
Peppaseed.
listen
We
to
gotta
Pepperstein
me.
gonna be there
save
Paul dead.
in
Paul.
her
Paul
Pepperstein gonna
dead.
be there
Man,
in her
Paul
girdle. She
dead.
gonna look like there ain't no
Paul
much
is
meat on my
dead.
bone.
Paul, you're dead because guess what? If the Komodo dragon are chase you down, me I shove the wheelchair in it, you know. Oh,
see?
so you're dead
See?
when I show up.
See?
Me have
And
to
here
shove
I'm
that
trying to
wheelchair.
save you.
Yeah.
Mm-mm. I'm
Oh,
trying
Uh,
to
you
save you,
can't save
Paul.
Paul. Paul can't be saved in that situation. The Paul
I'm
can't be
trying to
saved.
save
oh
you.
well,
I'm
I
trying to
did want
figure
to
out
see
how to
it.
go push you in
Yeah.
this dirt and gravel and the wheels is getting caught and shit
Here she
in the
Mm-mm.
come.
grass.
Here she
We
come.
can't save Paul. Paul, we have to use
Here she
Paul to
come.
distract them. We have to throw
Yeah.
Paul upon them.
Oh,
Yeah. Yeah.
Paul, you gotta be sacrificed.
Well,
Mhm.
I'll distract them. I'll do like
She said take
Madagascar.
one for the team.
I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it.
Right.
Yeah.
She said take
Because
one for the
me
team,
can't
Paul.
save Paul because Paul, me can't push the chair. Them are going to catch me.
Paul,
Them
she
are
said
catch
you
me
gotta
when me a
take
push
one
the
for the
chair.
team. I was trying to save you, Paul.
Oh, we are going to
Trying
take
to
Paul.
save
We
you.
need Paul to save we.
I was trying to push him through the grass and shit.
You're dead. Come on, the
you know,
dragon are come.
I,
I
I
was
noticed
gonna
y'all keep
tell
cooking up. I noticed y'all keep cooking up situations where white male privilege is like not a factor. You know, like on the island with the chased by the Komodo dragons. I just can't win. I just can't win around
Mm-hmm.
here. Oh my god.
Listen,
No, think about it, Paul.
Komodo dragon knows no color. All he knows
Listen to
he
me.
need his belly full for 8 weeks, six
We are
weeks.
run. We are
That's
run.
where
We
he at
can't.
with it.
Where we are gonna run with Paul gonna when Komodo come through? Komodo
I'm
run
just
without.
trying.
We are try, but with the Komodo catch we, so we have to go through a Paul. We just to the
I
wheelchair down
mean,
from Komodo.
at least, at least, Paul, you know I
Mm.
tried. That's all I can
Nah,
say.
The
thank you,
At
Tree.
least you know I tried. I was gonna try to be pushing, but if he was gaining on me, he was gaining on us.
Yo, that
I'm gonna have to say, you know what, Paul? I got your wife. Listen, I'm
that
gonna do what I gotta do for the fam. Like
Mm-hmm.
that's
Bye,
all I can
Paul.
say right now.
bye
We
guys.
gotta go ahead and take
Because
your wife
Paul have
because
to do what him have to do. Because we can't carry you. This a wheelchair you hard to push. We can't make it.
Yo,
I
no,
was gonna
I'm
try.
I'm going. What's gonna do? That guy gonna try and swallow me, and I'm gonna have my and he go and my and I'm gonna try to have my wheelchair locked in his mouth and
Mm-hmm.
brace it like a bear trap.
Mm-hmm.
Have that metal wheelchair stuck up in his. But if he swallowed the wheelchair hole, you're gonna be hearing beep 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 until the battery runs out,
Listen, if you could
and then
do
I'm
that, then
gone.
we could probably like drag you, Paul. We get you by one arm and just be pulling. Like, if you can get the wheelchair caught in his mouth, we can go ahead and get you out. We can get you out. You get that motherfucker to snap onto that wheelchair, we
You
gonna
know
pull
how
you out,
far,
Paul.
please, you know how far me reach that story that you want every time over there.
Yes.
Me
Thank you.
gone. Trees, me gone, trees.
Thank
Me
you.
can't stay.
Thank you.
Mm-mm.
Listen to the Paul. Paul, who took us on this adventure? Mm-mm.
Peppaseed, crazy
So
Who
what me
Peppaseed.
just
do?
who wanted us to go on this motherfucking adventure? A
Yeah,
death.
so when time come now for we run. So
Indiana
when time
Jones
come for me run
Peppaseed.
no, you want me for no run. Man, so me
Yeah, I don't
gone.
want you to run because you brought us the fuck on this
You
motherfucking death
better run.
trap adventure.
You better run. Run. Man, so
Listen, listen.
run,
But
trees,
before you were
run.
sayed we wasn't gonna die. Now listen to you. Listen to you. You already got your escape route. That's why you talking. You done already had your escape plan mapped out.
She even
Talking
admitted
about
it.
we
She
gonna
watching
make
the
it.
Komodo Dragon video. She even admitted it. She's been watching Komodo Dragon videos for months.
Mm-hmm.
She know
Yeah,
how to
because
survive.
I don't really much,
She admitted it.
but
One is
me
enough.
want see him.
One is enough, okay? One is enough.
Paul, how we
Thank you,
get to
Tree.
Komodo Island from here? How you get
Thank
there?
you. Thank you, Trees. Thank you for rescuing me, Trees. You are the Velma to my
I was
Shaggy.
trying. I was gonna be
And
Trees
pulling
are
you,
gonna end up
Paul.
dead with you. Trees are gonna end up dead with you. That makes me scare you.
the Velma
If we
always
can get
survives.
that motherfucking wheelchair locked in there. Nah, but if he can't, we know plan B. I got wifey. We get back to this date. Tell her, call me. What you need? Like,
Trees, listen to this, trees. You don't have no time for that waste with Paul with wheelchair and this. Because you see, when you're there with that one, when you look, you see beer of them start come. Like on the video, you will see one, and then all of a sudden, about 8 of them just start like surround you. You have to
are you
run
talking
trees.
about
You don't
going
have
on the
time.
island? You talking about fucking with them on their island? No, 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 no. Mm-mm. I'm talking about one. You talk about the whole tribe.
One,
It's a
there's
no for
no
me.
one. A beer of
It's
them
a
just start
no for
come out of
me.
the,
It's a no
like
for
you see
me.
one, and then all of a sudden you see about 8 more. And them just
Yeah,
start
that's
come
what
out of
I'm saying.
the bush, them, enough of them. And so we don't have time. Paul, you have to just listen. When you
Paul
put
only got
Paul,
one wheelchair. He can listen. Paul only got
you have
one
to run
wheelchair.
trees.
No.
You
He
have
only
to
got
run
one
them,
wheelchair.
Paul.
That's what I.
Paul, I forgot to spin it
Paul.
because them can
This
go
is
and free
why.
from
This
Paul
is why
until
I
we get away.
said.
Because them might
Paul,
take
it sounds
long to
like he
name up
wants you to
Paul.
go for the sacrifice. I don't know. It
No,
sounds
but me I say,
a little bit like sacrifice. I don't
no,
know.
no, me and I sacrifice, but me I say if something happen, any event happen like that, we have to try and live. We have to try and live, you have to fight for live. So you have to just Paul I go hold we back. Paul I go hold we back. And we now go back it.
Paul, we got the family. That's all I can say. Paul,
Well,
we got wifey. We
thank you.
do whatever I can do
No, I
to
already know how
help
that
out.
conversation. Treese, I already know
We
how
can't
that
help what we
conversation's
can't
gonna
help
go.
the wife too.
I already know how that conversation go. You gonna tell her, well, Paul, he got killed by a Komodo dragon, and then my girl gonna say, was he
Get out
annoying
of
the
here.
dragon?
Get out. He keep leaving me things I'm
My girl
alone.
gonna say he was annoying the dragon doing that stuff he does, right?
That's what
Mm-hmm.
happened.
All right, so let me ask you a question, Paul, right?
Yes.
Me and you and Trees, we did it. Commodores is on the loose. Them coming for we. We are run. We are run now. Vehicle mash up and we come out now because guess what? We crash. And then we there in there and we are say, all right, we can't just stay stuck and nobody don't know. So we did there and we are just dead. So we have to come out and try find a way. So we
Mhm.
come out now and we are going now. We are going. Nothing now going. We don't see nothing. We are go through. Commodores are come now. What you are gonna tell we fi do, Paul? Like oh, we are run with you and them a catch up and we. What we fi do with you?
I'm gonna say run, save yourselves, and then I'm gonna
Oh.
break off to the right, and I'm gonna start waving my hands like the rodeo clown who tries to distract. I'm gonna start making all kinds of. I'm gonna take my shirt and wave it like a flag and try and get their attention. Oh.
And that's what you gonna do?
Yeah,
What?
and then you guys can go get all the safari rangers and come back. Then you'll find me there with all them dead Komodo dragons and wonder how I did it. But you know,
All right, that's what I'm talking about.
Mm. Well,
That's what I'm talking about.
me love the story because in the story we reach at the Rangers.
yeah, yeah,
Yeah, as long as in the story
yeah.
me reach at the Ranger there, me good with
Mhm.
however you are right the ending. Me
Good,
support you on the ending. So in
good.
the end, you turn in a Clark Kent and you beat up
Mhm.
the whole of them come over there and
Yeah,
you win and everything. But as long as me are the one who reach at the Ranger and tell them
most
say
definitely. Have a
Look,
you
she
need to
forgot
go
about
back
me.
to
Mm-mm, mm-mm, she forgot
you
legend.
about me.
reach. Me not know you reach
She
because
forgot
you did
about
war.
me.
You round there with
Mm,
Paul. You round there with Paul. I try to pull him out of the
Paul just
grass here
said
where
that
I'm
he
stuck
can
in. Her.
run. Paul just
no,
said he
I
can
would tell
run. So
both
he
of
said,
you to
I
run.
reached the
Both of
Rangers.
you to run.
See, that's what I'm
Both of
saying
you.
about this
Oh,
death trap shit.
oh, trees reach too. Trees reach too.
You didn't just
Listen.
hear me say I
Oh,
would tell both of you to
Tree's
Oh,
run?
supposed to come to
oh,
reach.
me never. Oh,
Okay.
me never was because 2 minutes the trees have a lot of heart and when she see her try
Yeah,
do that, no, she gonna
you
try.
just hear him say that y'all could run. She
Yeah,
forgot the
but you're gonna
y'all.
try help
She
him,
missed that.
trees. You're gonna
All she heard
you're
was
gonna you're gonna
run.
sorry for him. You're gonna sorry for him, and you're gonna try to make me. You're gonna tell me, say, no, I think I can push him and still make it. You're gonna still think you
If
can
he
try
tell me
save
to
Paul.
run, we can't. If he
Yeah,
tell me to run,
we got the time.
I'm gonna
We got
listen
the
to
clock.
him
Go time.
and tell
You
him
gonna
I
let
got
him?
wifey.
You gonna let
If he
Paul?
tell me to run, if Paul tell me to run,
But me think
I'm gonna
you're gonna
listen to
sorry
Paul.
for him when you see the big Komodo them a come for Nyam Paul.
Paul
Me don't know
told
if
me
you're
to
gonna let
run.
Paul.
That's right. I'm
Paul
gonna
told
get.
me to
See,
run.
it's all about my
Paul
ground
said
game, my
run.
wrestling game. Then I poof in the back of the neck, and once I kill two, Then I grab them by the tails and I swing them like nunchucks and clubs. I
Yeah,
beat
yeah,
the other,
yeah, yeah,
I beat the living ones
Here you
with
go,
the dead ones
Paul.
corpse.
Here you
yeah,
go,
yeah,
Paul.
yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
Work
yeah.
it out. Work
But
it
what I'm
out.
trying to
Work it out,
understand, what I'm trying to
Paul.
understand, what I'm trying to understand, Peppaseed,
I
I just
already
said
see the problem in
clear.
the wheelchair. You know, so me can't bother.
Work it out, Paul.
Wait, hold on,
Work it out,
Peppaseed.
Paul.
Why?
You know,
Me
Peppaseed,
really
I
hope the
washed the whole
Paul
house
make
top
it.
to
Me
bottom.
hope you make it, Paul.
I got the upper body strength. I washed the whole house top to. I used to climb scaffolds with crutches and a bag of cements over my shoulder. But Peppaseed, here's what I can't understand. I just said clear as a day. Peppaseed and Trece, you two run, and I will go
She
left
ain't
and
hear that.
distract the dragon.
She
Trees are
said
gonna stay with
run.
you.
And
Trees
She
then
are
don't
the
gonna.
next
run.
thing
She
you
don't
say,
run.
Yeah,
after you and Trece.
She run
in a
is
my
run.
story,
As
yeah,
long as she
because
can make it. Mm-mm.
my story different from your story. That's why me not have the same story as you. In a
I
my
noticed that
story,
because
when
hold
time
on, let
you
me
said that,
explain. Because
when
when I
you
said
said
that,
that,
you
trees
said
are
you're gonna
gonna
miss
try
me and
help
Trece.
you. That
That
try
was
help
both.
you. Me gone. Hello, trees are try help you from morning. Me
That's her
done gone long
story.
time.
She didn't
Me
forget that
gone
you
long
said, well,
time.
both of us run.
First of all,
Y'all
listen to
run.
me.
You missed that.
Hello, me done
You missed
gone
the
left
y'all
on a long
run.
time. Cause from way down someone run left fall and you keep on a try help fall through the grass here. Me gone. Oh, me tears
Paul
gone. You
said
make a left
run.
fall. Oh.
Once Paul said run, that's it.
First of
That's
all, me not
all.
even wait for Paul to say run because me done
I
gone.
know. We already know. We know. We established that a long time ago. Okay.
I'm out.
We
Everybody better try
established that a
find them
long
way.
time
Me don't know what you telling about me
ago.
gone. Me see
And
Komodo
this whole
come.
thing was her
That's all.
idea.
Well,
This
run.
whole
Run when time comes to run because Komodo's coming. Komodo's coming. So me
this
don't know
was
if you
even though
tell
this was
you.
her idea. We
Oh,
were
so what me for
supposed
do?
to say
So what me for do? Stand up and get nyam by Komodo
we
because
were
I'm easy to
supposed
go
we
for
were supposed to be
safari.
saying
Man,
but
easy.
we were saying how bad this idea was, but you were saying we was gonna make
Okay,
it.
but that's
Now
still
we
mean
know
so
that
when the
the
time come
escape
to run,
plan is
me I go
everybody for
run.
their soul.
Then
You gotta run.
that was always the plan. It's
Everybody for
always
themselves.
everybody for themselves from morning. Every
That's
man
why I
for
don't.
themselves
That's
from
why I
morning.
know I ain't going.
When
That's why
time
I know
come,
I ain't going.
what me fi do now when a time come to run? More than you fi do to run when a time to run.
That's okay. I mean, that's just that's what I'm
Me
saying.
gone.
For me to not even be in that situation, that means
Preemptive.
I'm not
Preemptive.
fucking going.
Because
Preemptive.
climb up in
Because
that
I
tree,
already
yeah.
know.
Oh, something.
Stop it before it starts.
Oh,
That's the best way to stop a problem before it starts. I
Jesus.
agree.
See,
I wonder how you reach Komodo Island from over here.
It's in Indonesia.
listen.
Indonesia? And I
Yeah.
would if I flying that.
Yeah.
Mm, you know
You know,
about a
but,
plane
but
flying there. Can't
I-
bother
I'm
with that.
I'm sorry to go back to this. Pepperseed, I'm sorry to touch back on this, but you sound a little more like everyone. Well, you sound like you're doing a little more than everyone for themselves. You sound like you're gonna come back in that safari truck with a megaphone, and you're gonna be coaching those dragons on how to digest us for the whole full 2 weeks. Like the ankle has has a
Me
real
nah
sweet
come
taste
back.
to it. Like
Me
yeah,
nah go back.
it's like
Me nah
She's
come
not
back. Me
coming back.
gone. Me reach back
She's not coming
America,
back.
sir. Me don't know where you're
She's
talking about. Me
not
on the
coming
next
back.
flight.
I'm gonna tell
wait,
you
you
that,
reached back in
Paul.
America.
Paul,
When I'm
she's
out,
not
Originally,
coming back, Paul. She's not coming back, Paul.
me gone.
She ain't coming back. She gonna
so
Me
try
even
to
for
gone.
tell
our
them.
whole two
I
weeks, of
left them
even
back
for the
there
You better
somewhere.
try
They
make
was
it.
left back there somewhere.
Try.
Back there
Listen, me
somewhere
tell
is
the
where they was.
Rangers, they come over them down. They start trying them go to them. That's it. Me gone. No.
So
They
for that
back
whole
there
2 weeks,
somewhere.
we're being digested. For the whole 2 weeks, we're
Me
being
tell them to
digested.
run.
You's
Me tell
already
one of
home.
them to run. Cause one
You
couldn't run.
you's already stateside, and they're not even done digesting us. You already adjust to the time
Yes,
difference. 2 days
basically.
later, and we got 2 weeks to digest as living as living.
Listen, she back at
Where you say?
home.
Where you say? Before
She
we till them digest.
she back at home making
Be a nice gesture.
she,
The man say
she
before
back
wait
at
for
home
them to
making
digest.
pigtails
Well,
and shit.
let me just stay over here and wait for them to digest. Well, sir.
Thank you.
Mm-mm.
She back at home already.
Yeah.
She back at home.
Yeah, you notice
Home.
how you notice how she slipped
Out.
that in. At first
Comfortable.
she was just sorry.
Comfortably
Now
back
she's
at home, okay?
home.
Comfortably back at home.
So,
It
uno
works
want
out.
guarwa. Uno want
It works
guarwa.
out. Yeah.